May 29, 2021, this morning's bright moon is near the handle of the Teapot of Sagittarius. Bright Jupiter and Saturn are to the east of the Gibbous moon. Chart caption, 2021, May 29, 1 hour before sunrise, the bright moon is near the handle of the Teapot of Sagittarius. Use a binocular to see the star field. By Jeffrey L. Hunt. Chicago, Illinois, sunrise, 5:20 a.m. CDT, sunset, 8:17 p.m. CDT. Check local sources for sunrise and sunset times for your location. This morning the gibbous moon is in the south as it nears the bright morning planets. The lunar orb is 88% illuminated. It is to the upper left of the Teapot of Sagittarius. Use a binocular to see the pattern in this bright moonlight. The gibbous shape is 3.6 degrees to the upper left of the star Tau Sagittarii, Tau SGR on the chart. The moon is 25 degrees to the right of Saturn. Chart caption, 2021, May 29, bright planets, Jupiter and Saturn, are to the east of the bright moon before sunrise. The bright morning planets, Jupiter and Saturn, are in the southeastern sky before sunrise. Saturn rises nearly 5 hours before sunup and Jupiter follows less than an hour later. During early June, Saturn appears above the horizon before midnight. Saturn is brighter than most of the stars in this morning's sky, except for Jupiter, Arcturus, and Vega. The ringed wonder is retrograding in Capricornus. Retrograde motion is an illusion as our planet catches up to and passes between the Sun and the outer planet. Jupiter begins to retrograde next month. Jupiter is 17.9 degrees to the left of Saturn. The Jovian giant is moving eastward in Aquarius. Articles and summaries. Venus as an evening star. Venus evening star, summary Mercury during May 2021. Mars during 2021, summary Mars during May 2021. Planets during May 2021. Detailed note, 1 hour before sunrise, the bright gibbous moon, 17.6 d, 88%, is over 20 degrees up in the south. It is above the handle of the Teapot of Sagittarius, 3.6 degrees to the upper left of Tau Sagittarii, Tau SGR, m equals 3.3. Farther eastward, Saturn is nearly 1/3 of the way up in the south-southeast. Saturn is retrograding in Capricornus, 0.6 degrees to the lower right of Theta Cap. It is moving westward compared to that stellar signpost. For the past few mornings, the gap between them is the same when rounded to 1/10 of a degree. Jupiter, at nearly the same altitude as Saturn, is 17.9 degrees to the left of Saturn. In the starfield, the Jovian giant is 2.6 degrees to the upper left of Iota Acher, 4.1 degrees to the lower right of Theta Acher, and 4.3 degrees to the upper right of Sigma Acher. 3 planets are visible after sunset, although dimming Mercury is rapidly leaving the evening sky. 30 minutes after sunset, brilliant Venus is over 8 degrees above the west-northwest horizon. Mercury, m equals 2.5, is 1.2 degrees below Venus. At this time interval, use a binocular to see Mercury with Venus. 45 minutes after sunset, Venus is about 6 degrees above the horizon. Mercury is lower in the sky and a challenge to locate. Venus is 5.4 degrees to the lower left of Elnath. Mars is higher in the sky, over 25 degrees above the west horizon, in Gemini. 15 minutes later, Venus is over 3 degrees up in the sky. In the starfield, Mars is 3.8 degrees to the upper left of Delta Gem, 2.3 degrees below Kappa Gem, and 5.4 degrees to the lower left of Pollux. 2021, May 29, evening star Venus, Mercury, Mars. May 29, 2021, 3 planets are in the evening sky. Brilliant Venus is low in the west-northwest after sunset. Speedy Mercury is leaving the sky after its best evening performance of the year. It is below Venus. Mars is higher in the western sky, in Gemini to the lower left of Pollux. 2021, May 28, morning moon, Teapot, Jupiter, Saturn. May 28, 2021, this morning, 1 hour before sunrise, the bright gibbous moon is near the Teapot of Sagittarius. Farther eastward, Jupiter is moving eastward in front of the stars of Aquarius. Saturn is retrograding in Capricornus. 2021, May 27, impending Venus, Mercury conjunction, Sirius setting. May 27, 2021, Mercury approaches Venus the evening before a close conjunction of the 2 planets. This is the closest visible grouping of the 2 planets until 2033, although over 24 groupings occur during the interim. Tonight is Sirius cosmic setting. It sets at sunset. The moon is visible low in the southeast at 3 hours after sunset. 2021, May 27, bright morning moon, planets. May 27, 2021, the bright moon is in the west this morning, near the star Antares. Bright Jupiter and Saturn are in the southeast before sunrise. 2021, May 26, lunar eclipse, morning worlds. May 26, 2021, this morning a lunar eclipse occurs. Your view of event depends on your location. Better views are farther west in the US and Canada. Australia, New Zealand, and the Pacific Ocean experience the entire eclipse. Bright morning planets Jupiter and Saturn are in the southeastern sky.